welcome to another RouterGods video. My name is Humphrey Cheung, and let's do a video about connecting your simulated GNS routers to the real internet. So I've got GNS3 running on a laptop. I'm going to open up Google Chrome and I can show you that we've got a decent internet connection on the laptop. So now what I want to do is go to GNS3, drag in a router, 3725 right there, but really it doesn't matter which one you drag in, and I'm going to drag in the cloud. I'm going to close out my node types, right click on the cloud, configure, C1, and then click on the drop down to select your local area connection, which is your Ethernet connection. If you're on wireless, you would obviously click on the wireless network connection, but for me, local area connection. And don't forget to click this add button right there, or else nothing's going to happen. Really, you shouldn't need to click add, but that's just the way the program goes. We'll click OK. We're going to connect R1 to the cloud by clicking add link button. Fast00 to the cloud. Unclick the add a link button. Click play, and then in a couple seconds, we'll click the console button. Everything goes live. We click PuTTY, and PuTTY starts up. Alright, our console window is up. Go no right there for the initial configuration. Alright, pretty standard. Enable conft, go into the interface fast00, and let's see if we can get our router to get a DHCP address from my ActionTech FiOS router. So it's pretty simple. IP address DHCP and no shut. And we'll just wait about 10 to 15 seconds and we'll see if we can get a DHCP address. And while we're waiting, I will open up my command window for the regular operating system, my Windows 7 operating system, ipconfig. So my laptop here is getting 192.168.8.1, or actually that's my VMware. Let's see what we got here. 192.168.1.3 for my laptop. 1.1 is the default gateway, and look at right here in my GNS window, I have gotten the DHCP address of 192.168.1.4. 1.4 is pretty good. Show IP int br. That's pretty nice. I can ping my old employer, tomshardware.com. We have an IP address, 208.48, all that good stuff. We have a successful ping. Pretty nice. Now let's see if I can add in an NTP server. So NTP server, this is a pretty common one. Let's see if I could actually find it. I think it's pool.ntp.org. We'll find a North American NTP server and see if we can connect our inside router, our simulated router, and get it to sync up the time. Okay, so the command ntp server, and then we put in the domain name 0.northamerica.pool.ntp.org. Starts translating, looks like it found it. We'll exit out of there. Show NTP status. Unsynchronized, okay. Let's do show NTP associations. And looks like we're syncing up to 149.20.54.20. It's probably going to take a while to sync up. Actually, that didn't take too long at all. Okay, that's pretty good. This is done in GMT UTC time. So that was pretty nice. Stratum 2, hey, that's pretty good. Clock is synchronized. We are a Stratum 3 because we're connecting to a Stratum 2 clock. So the clock we're connecting to is Stratum 2. Anything after that gets a +1, so we're stratum 3. And all that wonderful, interesting information. So that's pretty good. All that you need to do to connect your router to the internet is to go into GNS3, drop in a cloud, associate the cloud with your local area connection, connect everything up, fire up your router, and then you are connected to the internet. Thanks for watching.